Do you want to learn how to change the color of your clothes just like this? Guys, keep watching because I'm going to show you how I did this.
You click on the Capcut app and then you click on new project. So I'm going to import the video. So I'll be importing this one of 15 seconds. So you click on add. I'm going to start splitting this video. So I'll start by splitting this one, then move over to the second side and split. That's what I will do for all the videos. I'll split like that. You can split it to 5, 6, it depends on how many colors you want to change. Now what we are going to do now is I'll click on this first one here and then swipe to the right hand side and click on adjust, and then you have to swipe and click on HSL. After sharpening you see HSL, you click on it. So guys, this is what most content creators are not telling you. Now these colors you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these are the only colors you can change. Like if you are wearing a red dress, you can change the color. If you are wearing a yellow, dark yellow, you can change the color. If you are wearing light yellow, the same thing with green, like that. So if you are wearing white and you want to change the color, it will not work. If you are wearing black, it will not work. So most people are not telling you this, so please take note of this. If you want to change the color of your clothes, make sure that particular color that you are wearing is among this color so that it will work perfectly. So my color is blue because this is my color, blue. So I'll click on blue and then we have 3 editing options here. We have the hue, we have the saturation, we have the lightness. So this lightness is just another word for to brighten something. So you use it to brighten whatever color you have from the first 2. So let's start. So you can just take this one to the back, just play around with it, so I'll just take this one to the end. You can see it already changed one color. So this saturation, now you take it to the, maybe this saturation is just like for you to make it more, the color to be more pronounced. Do you see that? So this is it. You want to see, if you take the 2 to the end, now you get two different colors already. Guys, you see that we already have one color, so I'll just go ahead and save it. We already have one color, so let's work with this. So let's check for another color. If you take this saturation to the end, you see the color we got. So this is the color. So all we need to do is to save it again, and we already have two colors here. So let's change this one again to another color. So you just need to click on adjust and then you swipe to your right hand side and you see HSL. So you click on HSL. So let's check for the next color. This is purple. And how did I get this purple? If you look closely, you will see that the line already has a color. So just for you to follow the color of the line that is showing. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So the line already has a color, like, so you save it and you move to the next one, and that's what you will do for all the splits that you did. Do you understand? So you click the next photo and then search for adjust, then click on HSL and then play around with it, just like I said before. So let's work with saturation and brightness. So all I did was to adjust the saturation and lightness and see the color we got. So you can go ahead and save it. Let's do another one for this one and click on adjust again, click on HSA and let's work with this again. So I'm taking this saturation backwards but not to the end. Then I'll take this hue to the end. It's giving us purple, but this purple is different from the first purple we had. So let me save it. So you can get different colors from this place. So how many colors do we have now? Okay, let's try this one again. Click on adjust, HSL. So we're taking this one to the end, lightness to the end of, to the beginning of lightness. So we'll take lightness backwards. Guys, did you see this color? Dark blue, and it's very fine. So you can go ahead and save it. So this is how it works. It's actually very simple. It's very simple, very easy. You can go ahead and try it yourself. Just play around with the colors, you understand, play around with it, and trust me, you will get good results. This is how you change color using HSL in Capcut. So guys, I hope you were able to learn something from this video. If you did, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Subscribe and share. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.